In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide an audiobook in the Audible app on your iPhone. If your library is getting a little crowded or you just want to tuck away a title you finished, hiding it is a quick way to declutter without losing access to your purchase. Start by opening the Audible app on your iPhone. Give it a second to load and make sure you're signed into the account where the audiobook was purchased. A reliable internet connection helps here, especially if your library is large. At the bottom of the screen, tap Library. This is the section that contains everything you own or have added. You might see several categories at the top, and that's where the next tab comes in. Choose audiobooks. Audible offers different types of content, like podcasts and originals, so switching specifically to audiobooks ensures you're looking at the right items before you hide anything. Now find the audiobook you want to hide. You can scroll, use the search bar, or adjust your sort and filter options to make it easier to locate. Once you see the title, look for the three dots icon next to it. This is the More Options menu, and it's where Audible keeps actions that aren't immediately visible on the main list. Tap the three dots, and then tap Hide this title. If you're prompted to confirm, go ahead and confirm. The title will immediately disappear from your audiobooks view, which is your cue that it's been successfully hidden. It's important to know that hiding a title does not delete your purchase. You still own the audiobook, and you're not losing your credit or payment. Think of it like putting a book on a high shelf. It's out of sight, but still yours. If you change your mind later, you can bring it back into view from your library settings. Depending on your app version, look for options related to showing hidden titles or managing hidden items. Updating the Audible app to the latest version can also help if you don't see the hide option right away. That's all it takes. Open Audible, go to Library, switch to Audiobooks, find your title, tap the three dots, and choose Hide this title. It's a simple way to keep your library clean and focused while preserving your entire collection. Thanks for watching and enjoy a tidier listening experience.